I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best tandoori chicken wrap. Hey salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making a tandoori chicken wrap. I'm gonna serve this wrap with loaded tandoori chicken fries and a really nice tandoori sauce. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Let's start with the chicken. I'm using a chicken breast. You could also use chicken thighs instead. You want to slice the breast in the middle so they will cook a bit faster. Add a good pinch of salt on there and some of this freshly grounded black pepper. Squeeze in juice of a lemon. It's best to loosen it up before squeezing so we can get all the juices out. Now give that a really good mix with your hands and leave it aside for now. For the tandoori marinade, in with the yogurt, in with a paste of fresh garlic. You could also use garlic powder instead. In with a freshly grounded coriander, in with a red chili, freshly grounded cumin, a good touch of tandoori masala, in with a red food color which is optional, a good pinch of salt. There will be salt in the tandoori masala, so make sure it's to your taste. I'm also going to use some of the brine from the preserved lemon just to add a bit more taste in there. And finally we're going to finish with sunflower oil. Now combine everything and give this a really good mix until it turns into a really nice paste. Trust me, these are one of the best tandoori chicken wraps that you're gonna try. Now have a little taste and adjust any seasoning if you need to. This is perfect. You want to remove some of the marinade for later use and set this aside. Our amazing tandoori marinade done. Now you want to drain the chicken into the marinade and get rid of the excess liquid. Give that a really good mix with your beautiful hands. Massage it properly. This tandoori chicken wrap is gonna be mouth-watering. Now you want to leave the chicken to marinate for at least an hour in the fridge. You also want to slice some of the red peppers and onions which we're gonna use in our chicken later. Now to cook the chicken, grab your iron griddle and turn up the heat to around medium. You want to spray with a light touch of oil. Now when the griddle is nice and hot, we're going to start adding our chicken. Bismillah. You want to let this cook for around 2 to 3 minutes on each side until the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius. Alright, let's turn the chicken. Bismillah. And now just let it cook for the rest of the time. Alright guys, the chicken is done now. We're gonna start removing it onto a plate. Or once the chicken has been rested for a few minutes, we're gonna slice it. Perfect. Oh, that smells amazing. It looks so beautiful. Trust me, one of the best tandoori chicken that you're gonna try. Now you want to grab another pan, add a touch of oil. When nice and hot, in with the onions and peppers. You also want to throw in the leftover marinade from the chicken. You want to cook the rawness of the marinade and saute those veggies. This should take you a few minutes. Now throw in your sliced chicken and give that a mix. Now just kill the heat. Our amazing tandoori chicken for the wraps is done. For our tandoori sauce, in with the yogurt. A quick mix to that to make it nice and smooth. In with the fresh mayonnaise. You could also use mayonnaise instead. Some of this hot sauce for more flavor. In with the tandoori marinade. You could cook this before adding it in, but I like the raw taste of it. Pickle juice, so you could use a bit of lemon. Just to add a bit of freshness into it. And finally you want to season it with a light pinch of salt and pepper. Now give this a really good mix. Of our amazing tandoori sauce. Done. Have a little taste and adjust any seasoning if you need to. This is so delicious. Alright, time to finally assemble our wraps. Grab some of the lettuce, onions, gherkins and some of the cucumber, our tandoori sauce, and of course our tandoori chicken. Alright, let's get it. Grab your warm tortilla wrap. First of all, you want to add some of the tandoori sauce and spread it evenly. Add some of the lettuce, onions, gherkins, some of the fresh cucumber as well if you like. A light touch of salt on there. Let's add our cooked chicken along with some of the onions and peppers. Be generous with it. Some more of this sauce. And finally we're gonna add some of the cheese onto there. Gouda or cheddar cheese. And now just close the wrap, grab both ends and tuck everything in the middle. So you want to close it this side, then you're gonna grab everything like so and just push it inside, alright? And then just close it up. So this is a closed wrap, it's closed from this side and this side. Now these are ready to go on the grill. Grill from both sides until the cheese is completely melted. Now if you want, you can turn this into a nice sandwich as well. Add some of the tandoori sauce, lettuce, tomato, a light touch of salt on there, some of these cucumber and onions, a bit more sauce on there, and with your amazing tandoori chicken. Add some of the cheese if you like, and you want to melt that cheese. You can add in some of the coleslaw as well, some of these chips or crisps, and finally some more sauce on top of the bun. That looks mouth-watering, so delicious. Our amazing tandoori chicken sandwich, done. Now for the tandoori fries, grab a pan, add a touch of oil, and with your peppers, onions, and spring onions. You want to lightly saute these. And with some of our tandoori marinade. And with your cooked fries, season with a light pinch of salt and some of this tandoori masala. Mix and combine everything. Just turn off the heat at this point. Alright, let's load up our fries. And with the tandoori chicken, add few slices of cheese and you want to melt that. Now add some of the garlic mayonnaise onto there. Our amazing tandoori sauce. Some of these spring onions and finally some parsley. Our delicious loaded tandoori chicken fries. Done. Oh man, they look so amazing. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks amazing. I'm just gonna add some of the more sauce on the fries. And of course we're gonna start with our fries. Let's take a good bite of that. Bismillah. Wow, that is so delicious. There's so much flavor in the sauce and the fries are perfectly cooked. You know, these are amazing. You have to try these. Alright, let's try our tandoori chicken wrap. Bismillah. Wow. That is just so mouth-watering, oh man, so delicious. It tastes so much better with those pickles, those onions. So mouth-watering. Spices are perfectly balanced, there's so much flavor in this. Let's get this video to 1000 likes. I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.